Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make part of a photo transparent in Photoshop. I apply many ways. Let's see. Select rectangular, elliptical marquee tool, row or lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, quick selection, magic wand tool as you wish. Example, I use elliptical marquee tool and hold shift and apply, press delete, transparent, or select the brush tool, opacity, right click, press enter, transparent. And for the best way, click a layer mask, press Ctrl I, select the brush tool, resize, opacity, again back, with hardness, without hardness. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.